In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your plan from your account settings. If you've decided you no longer want to continue with your current subscription, the process is usually very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. The good news is that canceling your plan does not necessarily mean you lose access right away. In most cases, you'll still be able to use your account until the end of your current billing period, so you can make the most of the time you've already paid for. To begin, log into your account and go to your profile area. This is typically where your personal account options and preferences are stored. Once you open your profile menu, look for Account Settings. This section is where you'll usually find anything related to your subscription, account details, and billing preferences. After you're inside Account Settings, navigate to the Billing section. Take a moment here to review what plan you're currently on, especially if you want to confirm whether you're on a monthly or yearly subscription. This can help you understand how long your access will remain active after cancellation. When you're ready, click on Cancel Plan. Depending on the platform, you may be shown a confirmation screen or a few follow-up prompts before the cancellation is finalized. This is normal. Many services include a short confirmation flow to make sure the cancellation request is intentional. At this stage, simply follow the on-screen steps to complete the cancellation. Read each page carefully as you go, since some platforms may offer options such as pausing the subscription, changing plans, or confirming your reason for leaving. If your goal is to fully cancel, continue through the prompts until you receive a clear confirmation that your plan has been canceled. Once completed, your account should remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. That means you can continue using the paid features until that billing period expires, even though your subscription will not renew after that point. It's a good idea to look for a confirmation message or email so you have a record that the cancellation went through successfully. And that's it. By going to your profile, opening account settings, visiting billing, selecting cancel plan, and following the final prompts, you can cancel your subscription while keeping access through the remainder of your billing period.